What up, guys? Today we are going to be ranking every single fruit slash mystical, whatever, not in real life, whatever fruit in real life, whatever fruit not in real life. We're going to be putting every single thing that on this tier list on this tier. So this is like the best. This is super good. This is good. This is decent. This is bad, and this super bad. This is garbage. Garbage is like this thing that's in my hand, which I'm gonna put there. I know this is not the best, but it's like the OG one. I'm putting it right here. Blueberry. Need to be right there. Corn, I don't know. Just put it right there. Definitely increasing though. Apple. I don't know it. I'll put it like okay. Bamboo is decent. Bamboo is decent. Coconut. Coconut's also decent. No, I grabbed cactus. Okay, these are gonna be staying right here. Okay, and you go up. Wait, what is that? Is that a raspberry? I don't know what that is, but it looks like a raspberry. I'll just put it at like decent because I don't know what it does. I actually forgot how. What is that? What is that? What is that? I know what it is, but I forgot the name. I know what it is. I know how it's like. Wait, isn't that durian? I think that's durian. No, durian's right here. I don't know what this is, but I'll put it at decent. Okay, pineapple? I don't know. Put it at decent because it's pretty good. Orange tulip. It's actually not bad for like starters, or I'll put it at bad. Daffodil, it's worse. Grape goes with the mango. Chocolate. Oh my god. This is basically carrot, but just like not that good. It's like chocolate carrot is like as good as cactus. I think. I just think. I will put it at decent. Okay. These ones, you guys go here. Okay, now we have these. These are the good ones. Bone Blossom, where are you? Bone Blossom, hello? Oh, Boney, the bone guy. I'm gonna put all the blossoms right here so I can do them fast. Yep, so Candy Blossom. I'll put Candy Blossom at literally like the best. Cherry Blossom, I don't know, but that's super good. Then Bone Blossom, it's not better than the carrot, but it's above Candy Blossom. That's all I know. Lemon. They're kind of related to tomato. I'll put you there. Papaya. I know you got like so much of these. I just know that you have these. They're kind of bad. Yep. Bananas. Go with papaya. Passion fruit. Pretty decent. Isn't that soul fruit? Yeah, that's soul fruit. Where did I put soul fruit? Oh, soul fruit. You don't deserve to be there. You deserve to be here. First fruit, you go with cherry blossom. Go there. Mushroom. right there. Isn't that cranberry? Yeah, that's cranberry. Dude, something that I just don't know just pop up in my face. Isn't cranberry like pretty good? I put it at decent. Not above passion fruit. Durian. Yep. I actually do not know. Guys, is it better than the cranberry? For now, I'm just gonna put it like right here. Hey, is that eggplant? Yeah, I think that's eggplant. I'll put eggplant at like decent too. Ooh, lotus. Lotus. I know this is pretty good. Put it there. Venus flytrap. This is like kind of overrated. The cow is literally as good as this thing. And I already know I'm going to put cacao right here. So I'm going to put it there. Pepper, you're not so good. I was expecting more of you. Cow. Remember what I said. Putting cacao next to Venus flytrap. Is that moonflower? I just know that's pretty decent. Glow shroom? Yeah. Mint. I have no idea how people find these images. Like, how do they find an image of mint? Like, actually crazy how people find images of mint. It's so hard to find images of mint. I don't know how mint is, but I just know it deserves to be there. The moonflower that I just said earlier. Yeah, that star fruit. I don't know. What's here right there? Moon glow. Pretty good. Okay, it's the best one in the decent. Okay. Ooh, moon blossom. This one goes with cherry blossom. It's not as good as bone blossom, candy blossom, and carrot. There you go. Okay, it's definitely like in the middle of that beanstalk. Wait, beanstalk. I know beanstalk's like very expensive and like 4 fruits per yield, and it gives like 28k base value, but it deserves to be there. Okay, we're gonna do a speed run. I just realized I didn't want to do like these ones. They're getting better. They're actually getting better, so I didn't want to do a speed run actually. Okay. Oh my god, the first time I got these, I actually thought they were good. Then I got moon melon. Then I just threw these in the trash. So it's bad. And this, it's literally so good. It's actually like so good. I'm putting it in. Yeah, I'll put it like there. Yeah. All I can say is that I think it deserves to be there. Oh my god, get this thing out of my face! Get this thing out of my face! Oh my god, that thing is trash. I had to pay 1 billion for that thing? Oh no. Wait. Isn't that nectar whatever? I think that's pretty decent, right? Put it right there. Then high fruit. There's like a method that is like very good. So yeah. Rose, get out of my face. Get out of my face. Ooh. Yep. Okay, there is a method for this, and it's pretty good. I'm gonna put it at these. Purple dahlia. Okay. Pink lily. Yeah, right there. Sunflower. Sunflower. Yep, that's where it needs to be. Amber lily. Yep, that's where it needs to be. Wait, is that foxglove or is this foxglove? I don't know. That's lavender. All I can say is lavender is not good. What is that? 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 Oh no, I actually do not know what this is. I'm not playing that decent because I don't know what it is. Sugar apple. Get out. Get out. Maybe. Yeah, maybe. I actually don't know what it is. Well, you know, why did I put it there? No. Get into decent. Get into decent. Get into decent. Is that pumpkin? No, this is pumpkin. Then what? Oh no, isn't that like Lumeria, whatever it's called? Lumeria, blah. Yeah, I heard it's like kind of good. I'm gonna put it there. Okay, isn't this like Nectarai, whatever? I just know it's good. I just know it's good. I just don't know the name. I just know it's good. I don't know the name, but I just know it's good. Honeysuckle! This is the thing that got everyone to 700 trillion. Yep, so great deserve. Oh, yep. Oh, no, above Candy Blossom, no. Candy Blossom is like kind of OG too. I don't know how the developers like come up with these weird names, but I just know that these developers put so much time into their game and okay, I'm not even gonna say it. I'm just gonna put this right there. Yeah. What is that? What is that? What is that? Well, actually, what is that? What is that? What about I just skip that? Is there like a thing where I can skip? Like, where is skip? Where's like a skip thingy? I need a skip thingy. Whoa. Oh no. Since I don't know what this is, I'm just gonna put it in decent. Bamboo. Bamboo. It's just bamboo. It's basically just bamboo. But new. Bamboo, but younger. Up there. You two can be brothers. Violet corn. Decent. Pretty decent. Is that cocoa vine? I think that is. Dragon pepper. You're just pepper, but better. Okay. I am not I don't like you peppers. You peppers make me angry. What you there? Isn't that like cantaloupe? Cauliflower. This is like tier list of putting stuff in bad. Yes. All I wanted to see. Wait, what is this? Is that kiwi? Yeah, I will go indecent. Bell pepper. Oh my god. Wait. Prickly pear. Prickly pear. Lotus. Thought you guys were very excited. You guys were very excited for Lotus. They didn't actually like Theoja. Not that good. Put you there. What is that? What is this? 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 Oh. Fine, I'll put you in good. What is that? Is that like tomato? Is that? I think that's Tomato's brother. Your cousins with Tomato. Lemon's like limited edition, like very, very limited edition. So I'm actually gonna put this lemon, like, where? Why does this lemon keep running away? Okay, yeah, I'll put it there. Since it's like limited edition. Cantaloupe. Cantaloupe is very bad. What is this umbrella? What is this umbrella? No one wants to look at an umbrella. Umbrella. I think this fruit's name is umbrella. Yeah, I'll just put it there. Rosie Delight. Over there. Off it here. Get where you need to be. Perfection. Oh, why there? No. You don't deserve to be there. You deserve to be higher. Where I want you to be. Where you need to live. Where do you need to survive? Okay, I'm just yapping now. Yep. Oh my god. A heart attack. Wait, no. It's broken. Oh no, it's not. Okay, this video will end at 20 minutes, so we have like 3 minutes left to do this. Go. No, I promise you, this is gonna be 3 minutes. I'm kidding, it's already 17 minutes! It's about to be 18 minutes. And it's like Moonflower. Yeah, it deserves to be there, right? Traveler fruit! I don't know what you do. Burning Bun! I thought you were good. I thought you were good. Actually thought you were good. But now I'm disappointed in you. Stonebite. Get in there. What is that? Actually, no. This is how I'm gonna do it. Okay. No, since this is like multi-harvest, I'll put it like higher. 5 mushrooms! Yeah, right there. Proselyte! I know you guys wanted this so badly. But I know you guys couldn't just get this. But I know you guys couldn't get your hands on this thing. It's so hard to get. Giant pine cone. I actually thought this thing was good. I have like 4 of them in my garden. And I'll put you right there. Horsetail! Horse, you're not tailing anymore. Get in there. Lingonberry. This is how I'm gonna do it now. Yes. Very, very good. Okay. Maybe better. Oh, yeah, maybe. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I'm malfunctioning. What are these? Oh no, I know what these are now. I'm an idiot. They deserve to be there. Now I get it. Go in there. Go in there. Go in there. Okay, fine. I'll give you a special plate. Then I'll roll. Maple Apple, get up there. Get up there. Better than that. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. 3 more left. After all this, we've came down to this. That's pretty good stuff. Sunshine. Finally, we have the spiked mango. Spiked mango is the brother of mango. Where is mango? Oh, I put mango in good. I'm not putting you. I'll just put you in good. So that's it for today's video. I mean, today's monthly video. Sorry guys. I just couldn't upload as much. So I promise I will upload as fast as I can. Okay? Bye!